Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. Today's class is to introduce the global APIs that you can directly use on SuperOS platform to conduct basic operations on the platform data. And here you can see the guide on our official site under API, Global APIs. Here in this guide, all the APIs that you can use on SuperOS platform are listed and explained with specific information. And in today's class, I will demonstrate some APIs that are frequently used. Let's see. Let's go through this document, shall we? Okay, service execution. So this one allows you to use embedded services or customize services under object templates or instances on SuperOS platform. You just simply need to change the template name and the namespace, and also instance name if this service is under an instance, and also the service name. Oh, of course, if this service requires input parameters, you need also to change that. And you can, of course, see the usage of this API on our other videos. And here, get request URL. Let's try this. Okay, so under Business Designer, inside one of our applications, I have created this page for today's test. And here I have changed the component name to this to match with the title. Of course, this one too. Okay, for just easier operation later. And then click Preview. Then press F12 to enter console. Because all the global APIs listed here, you can directly use it in console under SuperOS platform only. Okay, so let's try this get request URL. See here, press enter. So now it has returned the request parameter of the current page URL. See, under this question mark, and all the request parameters are listed here. Okay, let's see, get time zone. Let's try this. -8, that means yeah, our time zone. And get time zone, reload. Reload, this means you can reload the current page, and this is the time, the interval to reload. We can also try. It's okay, it's just simple. And workflow copy, and it looks like this. Change this input content to say nothing. And then it says copied successfully. Okay, let's start another page and Control V, nothing. See? It works like that. So this is the copy API. And what else? Request. This is for calling third-party APIs when our APIs are not enough for your requirements. And those React component are used in programmable component in our Business Designer component. And in today's class, we won't focus much on this. And let's see, get form data. Let's try this. Get form data here. So this get form data means that I can get the information on this form, but we have make this match with our form, right? So our form has 2 columns, which is name and sex. You see, that's why I have changed the component name to name and sex to match with the title. That's easier just. Okay, to get form data. Okay, now let's see. I'm F. Okay, try. See? returned Emma and F. You can also, of course, write a script for this button to have it working. Let's see. Give it a click event, and here. Sorry. Name and sex. Okay, I need to print it on our console, right? Console. We need to define a then print data. Right. Save. Oh, refresh the page again. See here. Okay, that's that. We can also set form data. You can, of course, write it as a script for this button. And for easy demonstration, I'm just going to use it on our console directly. Not title, let's see, name as Jason. Like that. See, here has changed it to Jason. Okay, let's see others. Submit default value. This is not very important. And alert. We can try this. Let's see what would happen here. See, it a prompt window looks like this, and if you click save, well, it'll return this, and the window is closed. What else? Show message. This is mostly used when you're doing the save or cancel or edit thing. See, they will show a message. Of course, you can also change the message type to like warning or success, info, error, something like that. And the icon of the message would change. Timestamp, let's see. Timestamp means that you can change the time to the timestamp format. Timestamp means you can change the timestamp format to our general time format. Looks like this. And timestamp anti-format is just to convert the time in the opposite way. Looks like this. Let me see. Rex. Okay, so this means that you can validate the input content to check whether it's correct, whether it's in the correct format. If it's not, so we can just not deliver it to the server. So to save resources. Let's see. Let's see what else type we can use. Mobile phone, telephone, zip code. Zip code. Let me try zip code. I want to try zip code. Zip code. So this one would be. So in China, our zip code is 6 digits. And I'll try it later. Let me try this. So this is 1 more digit, and let's see whether it's gonna return the right. So variable 1, 2, how about variable 2? Oh, 3, not 2. Try this, variable 3. Here. False, because it's not in the right format. Okay, what else? So this is for check whether the component value is valid. It's almost the same thing. Get format. Parse. This is to convert different format of data to like an object array like this. And what else? Okay, so this page operation, it can close the current page or open another page. Close page, you just directly use this, and if you do it here, it will close the current page directly. See, the page is closed. Okay, let's try preview again. And let's try open a new page. You can do it with different types of page. You can open this URL in a blank page or just change the current page to this URL page. And also you can set the size of it. This is for display a different model window. You can set the style of it. And here, this URL is the page ID you need to change for your required page. And how do you get that? When you preview a page, you can see on its URL here, after the, here is the page ID. It's normally would tell you the page ID. It would says like that. Let me see. It would say here. See, if you preview it on the outside, it would show as page ID equals this page ID on its URL. But it's the same thing before the and here. It's the same thing. And change it to here. Then you can pop up this window with the set style. And this is just a close the model window. And close parent model, you can try it yourself. And here are the basic database operation that are, you can add data, delete data, update data, and of course search data from the table. What else? User information. Get user info. That means that you can directly get the current user information on the console here. See, this is the user information here. Default person, admin. And let me see, this get you session user info. So this is application, I think. Application session storage, and this is our platform, and here user session info. So if you do it like this, and this is the session info you get. And so that's basically it. You can of course try all the APIs or to look for it when you need it. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.